Hi guys, welcome to our class number 3. This is a short video explaining what we did during the morning with the classmates that actually joined the class today. So this class was about progress test 1. So you know that tomorrow you have a test with Miss Tania. So in this PowerPoint presentation, you can find the following. Here we can find the difference between present simple and present continuous. Okay, so as we know, they are, sorry, the sentences are different. For instance, here we have, she always drinks coffee in the morning, using present simple. But in present continuous, we have, I'm teaching classes to ing 9004 paralelo 12. So also we have the uses, okay, the usage for present simple and for present continuous. In present simple, we have this. We use it to say that something happens all the time. For instance, our daily routine, or that something is true in general. Something that is true in general is the following example. The earth goes around the sun. That is always true. That is a fact. And also we have nurses look after patients in hospital. Besides, we have the following to say how often, we do things. I get up at 8 a.m. every morning. That is always, that is our daily routine. Also, she always goes to the cinema at weekends, okay? And on the other hand, we have present continuous. We use it to talk about things, actions happening at the moment of speaking. For example, I'm trying to pay attention to this class. Also, to say that you are in the middle of doing something. For instance, Kate wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian. She is learning. And finally, periods around now. You can use it with today, this week, this year. For example, you're working very hard this class. Okay, so here we have an activity, a Jamboard activity. In this case, you have to look at the pictures that I have in the Jamboard and try to create sentences using present simple or present continuous. For instance, here we have a boy eating pizza. So my first sentence says, this boy doesn't like sharing his pizza with people. Okay, this sentence is in present simple. And I have another one. He's eating pizza with his family. And I'm using present continuous. So you have to choose one picture. Okay, you can choose this, or this, or this one. And you have to write 2 sentences, okay? One of them using present simple, and the next one using present continuous. And please write your name at the end of the sentence. So remember that you have to click here where it says nota adhesiva, and here you can write. You can choose the color and write a sentence and your name, Juanito Lopez, okay? And you save it. And you can put it wherever you want. And finally, we have here the information about past simple. What about past simple? Remember, the past simple is to talk about finished actions, things that are not longer true in the present. And remember that we have regular verbs, the ed ending, or irregular verbs, verbs that change completely. For instance, buy to bought, Okay, so pay attention to this. And here we have some exercises and some information that you can check. So for instance, in the first link, you can find some exercises, sorry. So here you can choose. You can use present simple, present continuous, or past simple. Okay, so you have to write the answers here. Besides the second one, here we have a live worksheet. Remember that here you can check my test and you will have the answers. So in the next exercise, we have here some keywords that we can use in present simple, present continuous, and past simple. And in exercise 1, we have to fill in the gaps using present simple, continuous, or past simple. And once you finish, you have to click here in terminado and comprobar mis respuestas, and you will here have the answers. Okay, so for instance, here in this one, I say that she at the cinema yesterday. She was not at the cinema yesterday. I check my answers. And if you have the green color, it is correct. But if it's in red, it means that is wrong, that you have to change your answer. And finally, I have here the difference between present simple and continuous. Here you can check the difference between them. Okay, things that are always true, things happening at the moment speaking. Okay, you can check the difference. And also here at the end of the page, you have some exercise, present simple or present continuous exercise 1. So you click here and you can find some exercises for you to practice. Okay, so that was the class. That was today's class. In case you have any questions, any doubts about the test, about the content, please let me know. Send me an email so we can solve all your doubts. Take care and have a great week, and good luck in the test. Bye, guys.